Hello and happy Vlogmas. Happy Vlogmas. Welcome to another vlog. I don't think I really said how I was gonna do Vlogmas. Did I? Did I say I was gonna do it from December 1st to 25th? I probably did I? I was trying to do it the traditional way. I know there's people that have been doing like 15 days of Vlogmas, 12 days of Vlogmas. I wanted to go full force and do all 25 days. And we've missed 2, but you know, who's counting? Let's keep the ball rolling, shall we? I think I want to keep going. I want to keep going. I want to keep going till the 25th. Yeah, let's do it. Okay. I came back from Upstate 2 days ago. It's Tuesday now. I got back on Sunday. I wanted to do a little haul of what Dawn gave us while we were upstate. Even though it was her birthday, she gifted us not only the upstate trip, but also a goodie bag. In it, we have hand sanitizer. I'm actually gonna unbox all of these things. So, lavender hand sanitizer. I've actually been wanting one of these hand sanitizers. I always see them around and I'm always like, oh, that's so cute. How cute is that? Just pulling out this little hand sanitizer. This is from Touchland. This is lavender. She also gave us a Biodance hydroceronol deep mask. Fun. I have their collagen masks. I didn't think that they made any other masks, but of course they did. So this is, yeah, from Biodance. We have Topicals faded eye masks. What you know about that, Topicals? What you know about that, Topicals faded? And honestly, I want to use this. What you know about that, Topicals faded? Have you seen that they're giving away like money? They're giving away like money and I want to enter. A little bag charm. A little bag charm. And I want to use it as a keychain. I know it's a bag charm, but how fun would this be as a little keychain? And I don't have a keychain. I think I'm going to use this as a keychain. It's so pretty, so cute, so chic. And then she gave me a little notebook that came with a note, a very touching note, honestly. And it says, Dear Karen on it. And yeah, it keeps going, guys. We're not done. We have Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pore Tightening Toner. And then we have a Vanilla Musk Eau de Parfum. What else? Oh, last but not least, a pair of socks. I'm missing one. I think it's actually in my bag. But a pair of socks. How cute is this? She spoiled us. She spoiled us this weekend. So everyone say thank you, Dawn. And then today I'm meeting her at her studio for a little, because today's her actual birthday, so I'm meeting her at her studio for a little birthday celebration. It's gonna be so fun. I'm excited. And what else? But before that, I have an event with Henry Rose, so we're gonna get ready for that. The event starts at 3, but I wanna get there around 3:30, and so I'm gonna leave here at 3. It's currently 4:17, so I have a little bit of time. I'm debating, like, do I want to eat before I go, or do I want to film one more video? Because I've been filming all day. I want to film a video. I think I'm going to film a TikTok, actually. I'm going to film a TikTok, and then we will go. And they gave me an Uber code. Thank you brands for giving us Uber codes. Oh, also, I think we just glossed over the fact that I'm going to a Henry Rose event. If you guys didn't know, they gifted me perfumes a couple months ago. They gifted me this French Exit perfume and their Dave perfume, which I've been using a lot. I packed it with me to go upstate. I bring it everywhere with me. It's like very sweet vanilla. And they're having the event at the Pearl Box in the Lower East Side, which is also a place I've been wanting to check out. So everything is in alignment. And we're excited. I just filmed a little makeup routine video, so happy about that. Okay, actually, I have so many things to do. I just keep getting reminded of the things I need to do. I need to upload today's Vlogmas video before I head out, because I don't think that I will be back. I don't think that I'll be back home till the evening. I'm working with my cousin who lives in Ghana. He is an editor, and so I'm trying to see if we can set up a little editing working system where he edits my videos, especially starting next year. I think it'd be cool if I had an editor because editing takes up so much of my time. And so I had him edit this Upstate New York vlog. And so now I'm watching it to make sure like it looks good and everything. I already watched it yesterday, gave him like a first round of edits, and gonna watch through this second version. And then hopefully it's good and I can just like upload it today. He did a great job though. So it would be cool if he was editing for me full time. That would be really, really helpful. Okay, I want to show you guys the gift I got Dawn. There's a little pottery place in the neighborhood. I don't know the lady there. I don't know if she hosts classes or anything, but it's basically like pottery and ceramics, and then she like paints them. Such a cute store. One time I posted it on my Instagram and Dawn was like, wait, where is this? What's the name of this place? And she liked it. So at first I ordered like a polka dot teacup and mug set, and then it arrived and I was like, this is not very Dawn. Like, this doesn't feel like something she would like. So God gave me the idea to go to the ceramics store, literally around here, and get something that I feel like she would like. And look what I got. This set, I got another plate and like cup set. But like, this is the most Dawn thing ever. This is straight up Dawn. The colors, the little cup, this plate, and it's handmade, handcrafted, local, Brooklyn owned. Like, that's her vibe, you know? So I'm so glad that I trusted my gut and went to the pottery store and bought this instead of what I ordered online, because as soon as I opened it, I'm like, I just don't think that she would like it. I'm actually keeping it, and I've been using it around the house as like a toothbrush holder and a little soap dispensary holder thingy. Look at the kind of stuff that they make. Just so cute. It's just niche, you know, some things that you can't get everywhere. That's the kind of vibe we're going for. Okay. And now I can rest knowing that she'll like it. This is the gift bag she actually gave me on our trip, and I'm just giving it right back to her. Okay, I need to get ready. It's a cocktail like thing. I think I want to wear this jacket. I just don't know what shoes I should be wearing. Okay, are we wearing these boots? Is this good?
Yeah, I love how are you going to be warm enough?
I'm gonna wear my wool coat, and I have cashmere underneath.
Did they give you a Uber credit?
Yeah.
Okay. Because if they didn't, I'm gonna have to order you the helicopter.
SMH. Okay, this is good, huh? All right, I think this is good. I just realized I don't have like cute fall tops. Okay, I think this is fun. This is what we're dealing with. I think that the shoes, the heels, makes it a little bit more dressy. And yeah, I like the way my afro came out. My makeup looks amazing. We need to leave now. Scent of the day, we're gonna go with Henry Rose, Dave. Gotta wear the Henry Rose.
That's my baby right there.
Mushroom toast. Thank you.
That's actually coming up next.
Yay! I feel like this is great.
bring along.
What's your favorite martini spot in the city?
Ace Wine Bar.
With the chocolate?
Yes, like the chocolate, the peppermint martini.
I don't think I had enough martinis to have that spot. Yeah. What was the most New York City thing you did tonight?
I caught a showing of Kill Bill and then went to work afterwards. Very early in the day. Yeah.
To a brand event. That's very good. Yeah. Smoky works. What's your scene? Smoky. Woody or floral? Woody. Floral. Uptown or downtown? Downtown. Y'all said something different? Downtown.
I said uptown.
Just like Henry Rose is the first of its kind, the first fine fragrance to list all of its ingredients openly and to be EWG verified and cradle to cradle certified. This event is also a first for us. It's the first time we've brought creators together in this way, and it means so much to us that you all are the group that we're doing it with. So we're thrilled to have you all here to bring you deeper into the world of Henry Rose, to share more about the beautiful scents that we create. And we hope you leave feeling inspired and smelling even better. So cheers.
Thank you.
And then it was really weird for me because I was like, oh, I feel like I've been serving face in my mirror. Oh yes, it's really good. I like it.
Okay, guys, we're done with the Henry Rose event. It was a really good event. That people were nice. The space was cute. It was at the Pearl Box, which I've been wanting to check out for a long time. Now Jada, Khalees, and I we are at Gangnam Barbecue, having a little kbbq dinner. Yeah.
What is this called again?
Is that the hanger stick?
Yeah, short rib.
The short ribs are hitting.
The shorts are hitting.
Got some sauce concoctions.
Yes, yes. What else?
We have pork belly, pork
Scallion
cheek,
pan.
scallion pancakes, and then we were able to make our own little sauce. I keep dropping my chopsticks. Anyway, our own little sauce. But yeah, Gangnam Barbecue if you want all you can eat. Barbecue in the Lower East Side. Oh my gosh, yeah. We did get some give back. Yes.
Travel size, all you can.
Literally. But yeah, we got full-size Henry Rose perfumes. That's so good. Anyway, loved it. What did you think about the event?
It was cute. I'm like, wait, am I in the frame? It's okay. Hey guys, Khalees here. I had to tell her, I'm like, pull out the camera. We need to be vlogging. If you're on your Vlogmas, you need to be on your Zoom. You know what I'm saying? We need to get in the bag. It was cute, calm, collected. And now we're just enjoying some good food, so.
Jada, what do you think of the event?
It was so nice. That was my first influencer event, brand event that I wasn't working. So it was my first brands event. Very nice. They had a really nice curated group of people that were there.
Yeah.
So it was nice. There were so many nice conversations that we had. So
A little bit more diverse than these other influencer and things.
Yeah, exactly. So it was really nice. It was nice connecting with everyone there. Yeah, just a nice cozy night in the city.
Yeah. And now we're at Gangnam. Wait, when did we come to Gangnam for the first time?
It was May.
May this
April.
year?
Yeah, it was when you guys were visiting.
June. Yeah. And we discovered this place.
Been back since.
Yeah, it's been 6 months. It's good to be back. Yeah. I'll see you guys in a bit. Probably at Dawn's studio. I'll probably talk to you guys then. Okay, bye.
I will need to start thinking about that sooner than later. So I feel like that was my late 20s. That's what I started thinking about, like the realistic timeline.
Yeah,
the
the
timeline
realistic
I had it like in my head, just so that you're prepared.
If I could use my account, I would.
Yeah, it's best.